I have not yet discussed the concept of fill and filter. So today I am going to discuss that. This is in array. Okay, I have to open the folder. I would have, yes, this was the stuff which we discussed in the previous session. Close all and creating a new file here. .js. Okay, so simply here I'm going to discuss fill. First of all, fill and then filter. It's simple. Fill will be filling up and filter will be filtering. Okay, so simply as I'm just taking an array, let's say test array I'm taking here, and some values I'm taking, some random values. Okay, so console.log and test array dot, firstly I'm printing the test array, and then I am printing test array dot fill 0. Okay, so here we go. Okay, folder is programs. Okay, I forgot it actually. And file 26 it is. So here you can see what's happening. Firstly, we are like the array is printed, that's completely fine. We are getting the values. But what fill is doing? Fill is actually, it is returning like the values which we have filled. So the complete array is replaced by 0. Okay, fill returns this object after filling the section identified by start and end value. Here we have not given any start or end value. So in the next example, I will be telling that. In this file, I will be considering only fill. Okay, next thing, here I am taking fill h. Okay, so it is not a number now. It's not a number. So we have been like getting the values whichever we have taken. H, so the complete value was h itself. Then I am taking here fill h comma 2. So like the h, which is the first part of this, are like two arguments are there. So the first parameter is what you want to fill with up simply, and the second parameter is the start position. So if I run this, so here you can see the start position is 2. That means 0 and first index are excluded, and from the second index, because we are giving the start position 2, so from the second index it is actually starting to fill up the values. Okay, so we are giving the, like, this is h is the first parameter is what you want to fill it, if it with up, and the second parameter is the start position from where it would be started to be filling. The start range is inclusive and end range is exclusive. I have not yet given the end range, but yes, start range is inclusive and end range is exclusive. Okay, so let's see that also. And here I am just taking this time fill h and 2,5 suppose. So start range is inclusive and end range is exclusive. So here you can see I gave 2,5. So here we are getting, like, from second it is starting, third and fourth. Till fourth it is going, because 5, which is the end range, it is getting it is exclusive. So it is getting excluded. It is just going till 5. That is n minus 1, you can say. Simple words, n minus 1. Because I'm writing it here actually. Okay, that I wanted to say. So this is about fill. We have talked about fill right now, that how the fill operation actually works. And these all are working statements. I just commented it to show you the clean code. You can just keep them all. It's not wrong.